Alam mo ba that Swap has already created 60 Swap millionaires na nasa bahay lang sila? Today, I'm going to share with you the top 7 reasons why Swap is so powerful na kahit newbie at walang experience, kumikita ng milyon in this business. 1. Swap is 100% portable. Pwede mo dalhin kahit saan because you can do everything sa website. Plus, we have 2 mobile apps. First, Salvewell app for your sales transactions where you can do online sign-up, online ordering or checkout, online payment system na pwedeng GCash, bank, credit card, pati COD, and online activation. Second, Swap Members app where you have a dashboard kung saan you can monitor your earnings and withdraw your commissions anytime. Super convenient, di ba? You can literally make money using just your phone basta meron kang internet. 2. Swap has dropshipping services, so pwede kang mag-e-commerce nang di kailangan mag-stock ng inventory. Pwede kang magbenta kahit wala kang stocks. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito, encode and wait. Encode ka lang ng order sa app or website, then company na ang magpapack, ship, and collect ng payment. Wait ka na lang makredit ang commission sa account mo. At 100% sure na dadating yan. Di gaya ng ex mo, paasa. 3. Swap will give you online business tools na magpapadali ng buhay mo. You will get access to thousands of photos and videos that you can use to attract the right people to buy the products or join the business. Literal na copy and paste ka lang. Magkakaroon ka rin ng replicated sales funnel na merong done-for-you videos just like this. Ang gagawin mo na lang ay mag-send ng link to your prospects at system na ang bahalang mag-present at mag-close sa kanila. Kaya inviting to offline seminars here is purely optional. Di mo na kailangang mangulit, mangidnap, or magmakaawa para lang makapagpa-join. Because the sales funnel will do the work for you. Yung tipong in-effortan mo, tapos binigyan mo ng panahon, ginastusan mo pa, tapos in the end, ire-reject ka lang. Relate? Ganito kasi yan. In traditional MLM, say if may 100 prospects list ka na gusto mong i-invite sa seminar, it will probably take you 2 to 3 months to invite them all kung matyaga ka. You can do online sign-up, online ordering or checkout, online payment system na pwedeng GCash, bank, credit card, pati COD, and online activation. Second, Swap Members app where you have a dashboard kung saan you can monitor your earnings and withdraw your commissions anytime. Super convenient, di ba? You can literally make money using just